Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on NULS coin. There is one good and one bad news about NULS, and the good news is that NULS has broken out a long-term falling wedge pattern, and the bad news is that it is likely to be rejected by a very long-term resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break out this next resistance and continue its move to the upside, or we are going to move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And let me show you first this very big resistance level that NULS has on this weekly time frame. And previously you can see this resistance was working as a support, and you can see that the price line first found the support here in the second week of March 2020 and tested here in January 2021, then tested here in July 2021. And after these two more tests, the price line was again testing the support here but broke down, and now it is retesting the previous support as a resistance. And for example, if it will be rejected, then a move to the downside can be continued. But at the same time, we can see that here price line also found another long-term resistance. It was rejected here in December 2021, and we had several rejections here with few touch points here at the support and few touch points here as well. And we can see that we were testing the resistance more than the support, so there was a clear signal that the price line can break out the resistance rather than the support of this falling wedge. But we again have this very strong resistance that was previously working as a support, and you can see exactly from that resistance the price line is getting rejected. Now there is a possibility that we will retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge as a support that will be approximately at 35 cents, and then we will move up to break out the next resistance, this uptrend line resistance. Now if we take a look at the oscillator, then if we watch on the weekly time frame, then we can see that this oscillator was working very well and very much synchronized with the price line. Like for example, when the price line was hitting this support and the stochastic was getting oversold, we were having nice rally. And here we have seen the stochastic was oversold and the price line was hitting the support here, and we had another nice rally. Same thing happened here as well, and here we were again expecting that the price line is hitting the support here and the stochastic is oversold, therefore we can expect a reversal move from here. However, we have received a bull cross between the blue line and orange line of the stochastic, and you can see that this blue line has crossed up this orange line, and that is a buying signal from the oversold zone. And it is possible that now it will gain the bullish momentum. If the stochastic oscillator will gain the bullish momentum, then the price line can follow the signal of stochastic and again turn bullish and break out the next resistance and start the next rally from here. And we can see that this is the level where I am just going to place this trend line. And this stochastic never goes below this level. That is approximately 2.05. You can see when the stochastic touched this line here, and here as well, every time the stochastic turns bullish from this trend line. Therefore, we can expect that from now and onwards, the stochastic will start moving towards the upside. Now, if we switch to the very small time frame on the hourly time frame chart, then here it has formed another falling wedge pattern. And even though it is a very small time frame, but right now it is really very important, because if the price line breaks out the resistance, then it can reach here at the tail of this falling wedge that will be approximately at 62 cents. And in that case, in that situation, the price line can also break out this very big resistance line as well, because you can see it is approximately there at 61.50. And if the price line breaks it out, then there will be a very high probability that we will also break out this resistance as well. So next few hours are really very important, because we are on the hourly time frame. We are moving in this falling wedge, and if we will break it out, then we can have another big breakthrough. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.